One of the advantages of using Lightroom CC, the Creative Cloud, is that you have the ability to sync your photos with Lightroom Mobile. To get started, in Lightroom, hover over the identity plate, click it, and then select Sync with Lightroom Mobile. As soon as you do that, small boxes will appear to the left of each collection. The way that syncing with Lightroom Mobile works is, first of all, you can only sync one catalog at a time. So if you use multiple catalogs, then you'll need to choose which catalog you want to sync to and from. Also, you can only sync collections, and they have to be normal collections and not smart collections. I like to use Lightroom Mobile to do a few things. I sync photos that I can share right away with people if they want to see maybe a collection of some of my food photographs or my underwater images. And I also use it to create a collection of images that I would like to share online, maybe to Instagram or Facebook. Once you have collections set up that you want to sync, toggle the little icon just to the left, and it will look kind of like a sideways lightning bolt, basically showing that it is now syncing. I'll do that for a couple of them in my list there. Now I have my phone open, but I still need to sign in. You can access the settings by swiping from left to right, and then choose Sign In. Enter your Adobe ID information, and then click Sign In when you're finished. As soon as I'm signed in, I can see those two collections that I just added. By clicking on that little cloud icon at the top, I can see if my photos are still syncing or if everything is up to date. If I click on one of those collections, I can see all of those photos. From here, I can click on one and edit it using the icons below. And many of the settings that you'll find in the regular Develop module inside of Lightroom are also inside of the Lightroom mobile app. You can also share and export these photos. Another thing you can do is auto-add photos from your phone into your Lightroom catalog. This is a good way to back up your photos from your iPhone. Go into the settings and select Auto Add Photos. I'm going to head out and take a few photos with my iPhone so you can see how this works. I use the camera app on my phone, not the Lightroom mobile app, to take these photos, and if I click on Lightroom Photos, you can see that they're showing up inside of that collection. But these photos will not automatically be added into the catalog on my computer. To do that, I need to create a new collection. I'll click the plus icon on the top, and I'm going to title it iPhone. Next, I'll toggle the options by pressing on the three dots on the right, and I'll click Enable Auto Add. As soon as I do that, a new collection appears inside of the Collections panel on my computer. Because I enabled Auto Add, any photo I take with my phone is going to automatically be added into that collection. I can also add photos manually. I'll click on the options on the right and choose Add Photos. Now I'll select those two photos I just took, and as soon as Lightroom Mobile is synced, those photos will appear on my computer.